Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace a color in Gimp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Gimp. So the first thing that you need to do guys in order to replace colors is to add an image. So we're gonna go to the top left corner, click on file and then click on open. You can also click on Ctrl plus O on your keyboard and then this menu will open up. So now search in your PC for the image that you want to add. So I'm gonna add this image. Once you select it, go ahead and click on open. And as you can see guys, now the image is added. So for example, I want to change the color of this strawberry. So in order to do that, go to the left side of your screen. Right here, you're gonna find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit your image. So go ahead and search for fuzzy select tool. Select a contiguous region on the basis of color. Click here and then, for example, if you have a background like this, go ahead and click on the background. Once you click on the background, so you can click on draw mask to see the selected things and adjust it to your preference. Once you do that, go ahead and click on edit and then or click on select and then click on invert. So once you click on invert, as you can see guys, now the strawberry is selected. So once you do that, go ahead and click on edit and then click on copy. After clicking on copy, go to layers. So after clicking on layer, click on new layer and then this menu will pop up and then go right here. Make sure you click on fill with transparency and then click on OK. After that, hit paste. And as you can see guys, there is a floating selection right here. So right now, if you click anywhere around, as you can see guys, the new layer has been added. So make sure you select the new layer and then go up to colors. Search for colorize and then as you can see guys right now, you can change the color as you want to any color that you want. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.